Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Today, we diving into Nigeria stock market, to analyze last week top gainers and how they performed, and more importantly, why they made it a top gainer list. This is not a buy, sell, or hold type of video. This is just to give you an insight about, the mood of the stock market. However, my stock recommendation video will come shortly after this one. So subscribe to see that one, when it gets uploaded. So let's begin. Number one, UACN. UACN went up 42%. Now, what's driving UACN? Remember that Chi acquisition. After that acquisition, UACN had a strong 2025 revenue growth of 73%. They also declared dividend of 1 naira per share. And UACN diversified brand portfolio like Gala, Mr. Biggs, Portland Pates, Chi. These are all fueling investors' confidence in UACN. So the 373% 1 year gain of UACN shows markets believe in the turnaround story of UACN. My take on UACN is at this point their stocks is overbought. Number two, Nascon. Nascon went up 32.63%. Now, what's driving Nascon? Strong 2025 results. They made a profit of about 115% up. So also dividend increase to 6 naira, which is tripled from the previous one. Then Nascon dominance in Nigeria salt market, which is 92.5%, of revenue from just salt. So these are all fueling investors' confidence in Nascon. My take on Nascon is their stock is currently overbought. Number three, CAP. CAP went up 24.74%. What's driving CAP? 2025, results. They actually made a profit of 51% up. So dividend increased to 4 naira as well, which is like 67% hike. Then successful Portland paint integration and Cap dominant Dulux, Caplux, Santex brand portfolio, are all fueling investors' confidence in Cap. My take on Cap is their stock is currently overbought. Number four, Wapco, also known as Lafarge. Wapco went up 21.36%. So what's actually driving Wapco? Strong 2025 results, which they made a profit of 173%. Then they also increased dividend to 12 naira per share. Also, Zhongxin Chinese group, backing Wapco expansion plan and investor confidence in Nigeria construction recovery as well. These are all fueling aggressive buying in Wapco. So my take on Wapco stocks is it's extremely overbought as well. So number five, PZ. PZ went up 18.81%. What's actually driving PZ? Strong 2025 turnaround profit from loss. They made 10.7 billion naira. Another thing they did was strategic, sale of PZ Walmart JV to actually now focus on their core brand. And investor confidence in PZ operational efficiency is actually, driving this stock. It shows improvement, in their business dealing. My take on PZ is it's extremely overbought. Number six, Firstholdco. Firstholdco went up 17.19%. What's actually driving Firstholdco? Well, strong 2025 revenue growth, 4.8%. Also, net interest income surged 36.3%. Another thing is First Bank strategic balance sheet cleanup. These are all fueling investor confidence. Plus, the stock has massive volume. My final take on First Holdco is it's overbought. Number seven, Unilever. Unilever went up 17.13%. So, what's actually driving Unilever? Um, Strong 2025 turnaround. They made a profit of 112.6%. Then even Q1 2026 results shows growth of 26% revenue, and they also declared dividend increase to 3.75 naira per share. And Unilever dominant brand portfolio such as Knorr, Close Up, Vaseline. These are all fueling investor confidence in Unilever. My take on Unilever stock is it's actually overbought. Number eight, Ecobank. Ecobank went up 15.90%. What's actually driving Ecobank? Strong 2025 results. They made a profit of 22.94%. Another thing is improved cost to income ratio. It was up 48.34%. Another thing is dividend reinstatement after 3 years pause. All of these are what is actually fueling aggressive buying in EcoBank. My take on EcoBank stocks is extremely overbought at this point. Number nine, Wema Bank. Wema Bank went up 15.10%. So what's actually driving Wema Bank? Strong 2025 results. They made a profit of 125%. Another thing is their alert digital platform is actually growing, and they also announced dividend increase to 1.25 naira per share. And investor confidence in Wema Bank turnaround story is actually fueling buying of their stocks. My take on Wema Bank stock is currently Wema Bank is in the overbought zone. However, there is still room for more percentage gain only if some investors take profits from the current market price. So watch out for a slight pullback. Number 10, Vitafoam. Vitafoam went up 14.88%. What's actually driving Vitafoam? Strong 2025, turnaround. They made a profit of 1,427%. Then they also, increased dividend to 3 naira per share plus 1 for 5 bonus. My take on Vitafoam stocks is extremely overbought at this point. So, like I said earlier from the beginning, right? So, the essence of this video is to explain what happened in the top gainers stocks of last week. The next video will be my stocks recommendation video for this new week. So hit the like button and subscribe to see that one when it's uploaded. See you in the next video.